All right, so we're going to look at the edit here, which not a surprise, Control-Z, Control-Y, very standard for undo, redo. The find and replace and go to line. The find and replace are somewhat interesting in that I can search for something. It will navigate through, but it also looks to other files and will look recursively in the current folder, or it kind of looks around. So I can choose on how I want to match on, if I want to match on fuzziness or not. I can replace all or just what I have selected, the text. But I really like that this will show you the other files that I can then double click and it will navigate for you to that folder in that file. So I can make the change there. So that's all the stuff under edit, and really under Control F, right? But very handy. If it's not found in the includes, this stuff won't show up. But you can also hide this if you don't care to see it. However, you have to remember an AutoHotkey, when you use includes, those files that you're including, really, you got to think of them as part of your script, right? So that's why we wanted to make sure when I search for a certain word, it doesn't just look in that file, it follows through all the includes, because in reality, those words really are, that other scripts are all part of your script. When you go launch it, they all get grouped together, collapsed together, and run. Cheers.